Hi, in today's video I'm going to review Tempo. So Tempo is one of the best and fastest WordPress hosting platforms out there. It's not really popular as compared to other platforms, but it is very fast as compared to other platforms I've actually tried out, such as WP Engine, Closter, Kinsta, and so on. So in this video we're going to find out why Tempo became my favorite hosting for WordPress and what features it has and its pricing, and we're going to take a look at my website and how it's performing. So first things first, let's try to read what Tempo is and let's try to see some of their features. So when you visit Tempo, you're going to be presented with a screen like this. Okay, so they provide free and migrations. Okay, most WordPress hosting providers, they do this. Okay, and your WordPress sites are usually hosted on Google Cloud and it is fully managed and it is built for WordPress, and you're going to find out soon how it's built for WordPress. Okay, so over the past over about 4 months, like whenever I run into a problem, okay, even on weekends, the support is always there to help you fix any issues your website might incur, which is actually a good thing because you do not want your website to be offline in case of anything. But as a reminder, since when I switched to Tempo, my website has never gone offline. It has always been online, which is a good thing. Okay, and I've not run into big problems whereby it causes the website to go offline. So when you log into Tempo dashboard, it's going to look like this image, but as you can see, like the dashboard does not really look nice as compared to Kinsta or WP Engine, but it is very straightforward and easy to use. So let me click on why Tempo. Okay, so one of the reasons why I jumped to Tempo was because it was built for speed. Like if you are looking for a WordPress hosting platform which is really focused on speed, then Tempo is for you. Okay, so let's talk about the tech stack. So it uses Nginx, okay, the web server of choice, and they also offer a server-based optimization for conversions of images to WebP, which is good. And the other thing is that there's also server level caching and there's Redis, and the most important thing is the page speed module, which speeds up the website. And Tempo also offers a CDN which uses Google CDN. And the one thing I like about Tempo is that I actually contacted support to put my entire website on a CDN. So instead of having a subdomain like cdn.mywebsite.com, then I actually told them that I would like all my websites just to be on the CDN. I don't want like images to be loading from a separate link. So which is actually a good thing, and they did that for free. Okay, and they have got a lot of data centers, and the auto scaling feature is actually really nice. So the other feature why I went to Tempo is actually security. So what about security? So when it comes to Tempo, you don't have to worry about security and so on. So I'm done talking about this. So let's talk about the pricing first of all. So how much does it cost? So as for me, I'm currently using the first plan, which is the $15 monthly for a simple site, and it comes to one CPU, 0.5 GB RAM. Okay, and after this I'm going to show you my website and the current indicators I'm having. So this same free plan here is actually good. Okay, it works out. It's not small as it may seem. It's actually very powerful and you can actually try it out. Okay, so now let's try to take a look at how fast my website is. So this one over here is my website. Okay, yeah, it's just simple with a few text and a few images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and I'm going to run it in GT Matrix, and we're going to see its speed. Okay, and I'm going to open up GT Matrix in another tab, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run over the shop page. So when it comes to the WooCommerce pages, like WooCommerce pages really slows up the website. Like if you test the speed of the main page and the speed of the WooCommerce storefront, the results are going to be different. For the shop page, it's going to be slower, but in this case you'll be amazed of what you're actually going to see. So I'm going to test this page as well. Okay, so here is the test performance. Okay, so the structure only depends on like the theme you're using and stuff like that, but otherwise the performance is very good. And as you can see, the TTFB is usually below 160, but today is 200 ms, and the largest content page is 499 and has loaded in within a minute. Okay, that's more like half a minute. So on my website here, I've got AdSense enabled, Google Analytics, I have a lot of codes, and I have a lot of complex indicators on my website. But as you can see, it's still loading in within a minute. That's like half a minute. So let me click on the performance, and as you can see, these are really good statistics. Okay, the structure is all good. Waterfall, this is where you can actually get to see like what's been loaded. As you can see, these are a lot of requests, but still the website, it is very fast. Okay, and this is the shop page, and as you can see is 87%, which is not really bad, but it's actually good. The TTFB is also okay, and it's loading in less than a minute as well. Okay, so the only thing which has not yet made this page to hit 100% is because of the large layout shift, because I've enabled what's this there's loading and stuff like that. So this is something I have to fix, but I've not fixed it yet. I'll do it later. And the waterfall, okay, as you can see, these are a lot of requests, but it is very fast. Okay, but you might be wondering like, yeah, am I using any caching plugin? Yes, I am. Okay, I've got WP Rocket. So I know you might be thinking like the reason why it's fast is because I'm using WP Rocket. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to disable the caching plugin and see how it's going to perform without a caching plugin. So let me just log into my dashboard. Okay, so this is the list of indicators my website currently has. Okay, quite a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable WP Rocket. Yeah, simply going to disable it. Okay, then I'm going to retest my website and see the difference. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. So let's wait for it. Okay, so this is the page with the caching plugin disabled. So my TTFB happens to have reduced. Okay, as you can see over here, the TTFB was 201 ms, but right here is actually half of it, which is good. And this time it's loading in 2.3 seconds, which is not really that bad, and the performance is 99% without any caching plugin. So this is really good, because with certain hosting providers, getting this type of good results without using any caching plugin and optimizing it for speed, is really hard to get these results. And when I go in the waterfall, you can see these are a lot of requests, but still, okay, most of them are coming from AdSense, okay, PayPal, phones, WordPress, Google Analytics, my website, phones, and so on. But still the performance is very good. Okay, so I'm going to enable back the WP Rocket caching plugin. Okay, so I've enabled the plugin. So now, how do you get started with Tempo? So you can also try out Tempo for free for the first week. So the link is in the description. Okay, so how does Tempo dashboard look like? So when you have an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. So here on my right side, you'll be able to see like the bidding, like how much you've been paying. Okay, so for example, when I click on this website name, which is on one website with them, okay, you'll be able to see how much storage your website has used. Okay, and you'll be able to see your login details will be given there, and also be given the SFTP, SSH login details, and you also be given like the database login details. Okay, and when you click on backups, you'll be able to create a manual backup if you would like to, or you will also be able to restore a backup. Okay, so backups are free. You can also schedule up when backups should be made. Okay, you can as well create a staging site. If you'd like to change your plan, you can as well do that, or you can simply increase your storage. I've increased mine to 13 GB. Okay, you can as well import a website from Tempo Backup or a duplicator link. And then on the monitoring, this is where you can actually see like the CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, bandwidth usage. Okay, which is good. And on the tools over here, like if you'd like to check vulnerability, simply click here to clear banned IPs, click here. So if you'd like to install Tempo plugins, simply click on install. And if you're having file permission errors, click on fix. Okay, if you simply manually imported your website, click on fix domain to change all the links and so on. Then there's also what's called extended support. This is where you can actually talk to support. By the way, like chatting with support is free. Simply click on this chatting icon here, and you'll be able to ask any of your questions. Okay, so otherwise, if you would like to some of these services, you can, but most of the stuff you might run into, they can simply help you for free. Okay, you can as well like set up emails for that to be sending emails from a WordPress site, which is okay. Yeah, then on the usage, this is why you'll be able to see bandwidth your site is using. And when it comes to Tempo, it charges about 0.2 per GB, okay, for extra bandwidth your site uses. And if you'd like more people to be working on your website, you can actually share access, okay, and simply create an account, share with other people. So I guess this is it about Tempo. So give it a try it for free for a week. So try to create an account with a link in the description. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.